The ocean, a vast and mysterious realm, holds within its depths creatures of immense size and grace. Whales. These magnificent marine mammals, the largest animals on Earth, have captivated humanity for centuries. Their immense size inspires awe, while their complex songs echo through the deep, a testament to their intelligence and social bonds. From the mighty blue whale, larger than any dinosaur that walked the earth, to the playful dolphins that dance in the waves, whales are a testament to the wonders of evolution. Whales are more than just magnificent creatures. They are vital members of the marine ecosystem. They help to regulate prey populations, transport nutrients across vast distances, and even influence the ocean's carbon cycle. Their presence or absence has a profound ripple effect on the health and balance of the entire ocean. Yet these gentle giants face an uncertain future. For centuries, whales have been hunted relentlessly, their bodies exploited for oil, meat, and other products. The impact of this exploitation has been devastating, pushing some species to the brink of extinction and leaving lasting scars on the marine environment. This is the story of whales, their diversity, their ecological importance, and their long and troubled relationship with humankind. It is a story of destruction and hope, a call to action to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure that they continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. The world of whales is incredibly diverse, encompassing a wide range of sizes, shapes, and feeding strategies. To better understand these remarkable creatures, scientists divide them into two main groups: baleen whales and toothed whales. Baleen whales, as their name suggests, possess baleen plates instead of teeth. These plates, made of keratin, the same material as our fingernails and hair, hang down from the upper jaw, forming a sieve-like structure. Baleen whales feed by gulping large amounts of water containing swarms of tiny crustaceans called krill, small fish, or other plankton. The water is then forced out through the baleen plates, trapping the food inside. Some of the most iconic whale species, including the blue whale, the humpback whale, and the grey whale, belong to the baleen whale group. These giants of the ocean are often characterized by their massive size and their evocative songs, used for communication and navigation. Toothed whales, on the other hand, possess teeth, allowing them to hunt and capture larger prey. This group includes dolphins, porpoises, sperm whales, and orcas, killer whales. Toothed whales are often highly social animals, living in pods and hunting cooperatively. The differences between baleen and toothed whales highlight the incredible diversity within this group of marine mammals. From the filter-feeding giants to the agile hunters, each species plays a unique and important role in the intricate web of life in our oceans. Whales are not just inhabitants of the ocean, they are essential contributors to its health and balance. Their presence or absence has a profound ripple effect on the entire marine ecosystem. These gentle giants play a crucial role in maintaining the health and stability of our oceans, acting as guardians of the underwater world. One of the most important roles of whales is regulating prey populations. As apex predators, they help to control the populations of fish, squid, and krill, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant and disrupting the delicate ecological balance. Whales also play a vital role in nutrient cycling. As they travel vast distances across the ocean, they transport nutrients from areas of high productivity, such as feeding grounds, to areas where nutrients are scarce. This process, known as the whale pump, helps to fertilize the ocean and support marine life. Surprisingly, whales can even influence the ocean's carbon cycle. Their immense bodies store significant amounts of carbon, preventing it from being released into the atmosphere. When whales die, their carcasses sink to the ocean floor, taking this stored carbon with them. This process, known as whale fall, creates a unique habitat on the seafloor, supporting a diverse community of scavengers and decomposers. Section 4. A history written in harpoons whaling through the ages. The relationship between humans and whales stretches back millennia. For coastal communities, whales have long been a source of food, oil, and other valuable resources. However, this relationship has often been one-sided, marked by exploitation and unsustainable hunting practices. The history of whaling is a complex and often tragic one, a stark reminder of humanity's impact on the natural world. Traditional whaling, often carried out by indigenous communities, dates back thousands of years. These early whalers used hand-thrown harpoons and small boats to hunt whales, primarily targeting species that were close to shore or that had become stranded. The meat and blubber of the whale provided essential sustenance and resources for these communities, and whaling was often deeply intertwined with their cultural and spiritual beliefs. The arrival of Europeans on the whaling scene in the Middle Ages marked a turning point in the history of whaling, driven by the demand for whale oil, used for lighting, lubrication, and other industrial purposes. European whalers embarked on long and perilous voyages to the Arctic and Antarctic. The development of new technologies, such as the harpoon gun and the factory ship, intensified the hunt, decimating whale populations and pushing some species to the brink. Section 5. The Shadow of the Hunt. Modern whaling practices. Despite international efforts to regulate and ultimately ban commercial whaling, the practice continues today, albeit on a smaller scale than in the past. The motivations for modern whaling are complex and varied, ranging from economic interests to cultural traditions and scientific research. The International Whaling Commission, established in 1946, imposed a moratorium on commercial whaling in 1986 in an attempt to allow whale populations to recover. However, this moratorium has not been universally adopted. Some countries, such as Norway and Iceland, continue to hunt whales commercially, arguing that their practices are sustainable and that whale populations have recovered sufficiently. Japan also conducts whaling activities, although it claims that these are for scientific research purposes. Critics argue that these hunts are a cover for commercial whaling and that the scientific value of the research is questionable. The continued hunting of whales, even on a smaller scale, highlights the ongoing challenges in balancing conservation efforts with economic interests and cultural traditions. The debate over whaling is a complex one with no easy answers. However, it is clear that the future of these magnificent creatures depends on our ability to find sustainable solutions that protect both whales and the livelihoods of those who depend on them. Hit the like and subscribe button for more videos on the wonders of the ocean and the creatures that inhabit it.